For Lab 2 investigation, we were testing to see how height affected the fall time for a dropped object. The object we used in our investigation was a volleyball, which we dropped from 3 different heights by increments of 1 meter. The time recording device was a cell phone, and we used the measuring tape to find our heights. The results of our investigation found that height does affect the fall time of a dropped object. Mikhail will now explain the results of our trials.
Alright, so we found that the means of the different fall times were for 1 meter about 0.45 seconds, for 2 meters 0.75 seconds, and for 3 meters about 0.83 seconds. We then used these means to calculate the chi-square value for each of these heights. And based on these chi-square values, which are 4.22, 1.03, and 0.65 respectively for the 3 different heights, we can conclude that for the first height, our data is quite accurate. For the second height, our data is even more accurate, and for the third height, our data is slightly less accurate because we may have overestimated our uncertainties. But other than that, our data is relatively sound.
And then here we have a graph with all the different best fit lines for each trial.
We conducted 6 trials.
6 trials, yeah.
For our next lab investigation, we recommend testing at different heights and including more trials.